Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.44 on RHEL 9 versions. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with RHEL 9. Either it may be 9.5, 6 or 7. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then select the MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.44. If you are unable to find the version here, you can click on this archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system, RHEL, then select the OS version. See here we have the 9. Select the Red Hat Linux 9 x86 64-bit. See, once we selected these options, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 902 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then we will untap the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.44. Okay, this will take time. I'm going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads list. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.44. It is star file, untar it, tar-accept, then MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be executed to install. Sudo rpm-ivh nodeps, then start.rpm. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. Hit enter. This command installs all RPM packages from the current directory. We have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. If you don't give D, it won't work. So we have to give MySQL D. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is active and running. It is enabled. You took it. Now we have to connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of the any MySQL user account. Even we don't have the password for the root account. So we can get the MySQL user root account temporary password by going to sudo /var log mysqld .log, then grep password. See, a temporary password is generated for root account. See, this is the temporary password. This is not same for you. Now set the permanent password for this root account. Sudo mysql _secure installation, then copy this password. Now set the permanent password. I don't want to change again. Remove anonymous users. Yes. No. Remove test database connection. Yes. Reload privileges. Yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for the MySQL root account. Now connect to MySQL Server with this root account and password. Ctrl A, mysql-u root-p. Then provide the password that we have set for this root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.0.44 community server. You can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we got the same. Okay, now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL Server installation. Now create database. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. So switch to database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. See, we don't have any table, so create table. See, we have created table in database bank. Okay, now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So create user. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Okay, now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL Server with this new user. Exit MySQL -u. New username is David -p. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. So provided. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server with the user David. Now verify the same. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server on RHEL 9. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. We have to give D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is inactive or dead. Okay, even we can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server. See, we are unable to connect, so start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is running. Okay, if you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL D. See, we have restarted. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect by using MySQL Workbench or DBA. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBA on RHEL 9. So we have successfully installed MySQL Server. ls these files are not required anymore, so I am removing them to clear the space. rm start.rpm. This command will delete all rpm packages from the current directory. ls we have one more file, remove it. rm mysql, press the tab. ls we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL Server 8.0.44 on RHEL 9, but the process is same on all RHEL 9 versions. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.